guys, so today I'm back with another video, and today's video I'll be doing another unboxing, and this is from SkinStarBox. I don't know if you can see, but it says be beautiful with SkinStar, and this box is actually full of Korean skincare brand. I'm not really sure what this is, but I'm just gonna read what's on their website. SkinStar recommends items that are essential to your skin every month. We provide products for all skin to use safely with high quality and hypoallergenic vegetable ingredients. A brand that studies for effective ingredients and cares only about skin health will be with you. So yeah, I got this last month, and the products that I got didn't really match with the box that they have, so I'm not sure which box of month that I got. So anyways, I'm just gonna unbox it for you. So once you open it, we have the booklet. It actually says the items that I got, but actually not all of the items are here, and it is in Chinese, which I can't read. And all of the products were actually inside this bag. So yeah, these are the products that I've got. So this one is Essence. I don't really use Essence on my face, but this is actually quite big. I've watched one video and she said each line means when you use this with cotton, that's how much you have to soak it in. And then the next one I've got is this. It says vitamin cleanser that washes away skin impurities with gentle cleansing agents and vitamin capsule, and it comes in a pump. And I can't really see any English ingredients in this, so yeah, I have to look it up online. So the third one is this. This is the first ampule mist. Sorry about the dogs, they keep barking. Anyways, it says here, daily mist that keeps skin moisturized and smooth anytime, anywhere with ease. So again, there's no English ingredients. I have to look it up as well. And yeah, I don't really use mist, but it feels nice to have something spraying on your face. So let me just try it. So the next product will be the first ampule cream. I don't know what this is for, but it says here, moisturizing and firming cream tightens up saggy skin. And I don't know if this is a good product, but I don't have saggy skin yet, so I think I'm gonna give this to my mom. And then the next one, this is the Cliff Premium Max Hyaluronic Propolis Emulsion. Emulsion. I need to work with my English. I think this is a moisturizer. This is the heaviest one in the box, and again, there's no English ingredients. This is actually the only one that is a glass packaging, that's why it's heavy. But yeah, this is kind of weird because this is a cream that's in a glass container, so it will be better if it's in a jar. So the next one will be this BB cream. This has SPF 37. I don't really like using different sunscreen on my face, so I don't think I'm gonna use this. And then the last one will be this Cliff Premium Hyaluronic Propolis Ampule. Again, there's no English ingredients, but they do have instruction on how to use this product, and I don't know what this is for, but I guess this is for moisturizing your face. So yeah, that is all the products that's inside in this box. And yeah, I think I'll be just using the essence and also the face wash. All the other products I'm kind of scared to use because my skin is actually sensitive. A few days ago, I just tried one like face mask. It broke out my skin, and I think that is because it has niacinamide in it, so I'm never gonna use that mask again. So yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.